Today, let's check out the GC-03 radiation detector tutorial. First, the design. The GC-03 has 3 buttons on the front. There's an alert light on top, power button on the right, charging port on the left, and the core Geiger counter tube is on the back. Long press the power button to hit the main interface. First time, you'll need to set the language. Top shows time, date, and the alarm toggle. The middle shows nuclear radiation, electric field intensity, and magnetic field intensity. Scroll the wheel to switch to the data list. Compared to the main screen, the data list shows average, max, alarm threshold, cumulative dose alarm, and total stored values. Scroll the wheel right again to enter the curve page. The curve page is super intuitive for tracking real-time radiation changes. Hit the settings button for the settings. Click alarm set. Here you can tweak the nuclear alarm threshold and electromagnetic field parameters. Scroll the wheel to adjust the values. Press back to return to the menu. The alarm record feature logs every alarm type and time. Unit set lets you switch nuclear and magnetic units. Function set adjusts theme color. And auto shutdown time. System set switches between Chinese and English and display brightness, volume, and alarm mode. System clock. Click in regard to check device info and factory reset. The device enters real-time monitoring automatically on boot. Get close to the object to measure electric field, magnetic field, and nuclear radiation intensity. It alerts you when radiation exceeds the threshold. That's a wrap for this tutorial. For more info, visit the FNIRSI official website.